That sky doesn't look good.
There! I see red!
This plane is so big! I can see everything from here! Look, Mommy, the wing moves!
Sit back, sweetie. We're about to take off.
Look at the clouds! They're so fluffy!
They look like cotton, don't they?
Like a big soft bed!
That sky doesn't look good.
Why is it so dark?
Just a little storm. Everyone stay calm.
I don't like this, Bunny.
Hold on, everyone!
I'm scared!
Daisy, look at me. It's okay.
Mommy!
Everyone count! 1, 2, 3, 4!
I'm here! I see land! Swim toward that green spot! I'm so tired!
Almost there! Keep going!
I can touch the bottom! Just a little further, baby! Bunny is swimming too! Is everyone okay? Bunny got wet.
We need to find water and shelter.
That jungle looks big. Over there, those trees look different. I'm hungry.
I need to find fresh water. Why is this so hard? I didn't find any water.
We'll think of something. That bird keeps flying the same way. Birds need water too. That way! The water is that way!
How do you know?
The bird showed me! Max is so smart!
You were right, Max. Fresh water!
I told you!
Drink slowly, everyone.
It's cold! Ah, that's good. Best water ever! Thank goodness. Bunny wants a drink too! This wood is heavy.
The leaves keep falling.
Tie them tighter, Max. Look, Bunny, a pretty shell.
Why won't this not hold? Ugh.
Maybe try it the other way.
Let me show you. Loop it twice.
Look, these leaves are bigger.
Daisy, that's perfect!
Great find, Daisy. Bunny helped.
We built a shelter! It's our house now!
Everyone, rest for a minute.
Bunny likes our new house.
Why won't this catch?
Maybe the wood is too wet.
I've tried everything!
What's this? It's so shiny. Come on. Make it one.
I did it! Fire!
Max, you're a genius!
Oh, thank goodness. Warm!
I'm so proud of you.
We did it together.
My brave family.
Bunny says goodnight to...
Wait, is that a plane? They'll come back. We just need to show them where we are. H-E-L-P. Max, that's brilliant!
They'll see that from the sky. Bunny says hello to the plane. Like this, Mommy?
Yes, hold it right there. They'll see the flash. Keep it steady.
They see us! Over here, over here! We're saved! Bunny says thank you!
Thank you so much!
We're here! We're okay! We have children! Save Bunny too!
We're safe now.
That was a big adventure.
My brave, clever boy.
Bunny and I are sleepy.
Grandma will be so happy!
She loves cookies. Max, come here, please.
I'm coming.
Can you watch Daisy for 1 hour?
Yes, Dad.
I'm so bored. What's this? A map! A secret waterfall! I wanna go! Max! Look at this! Please, Max, 5 minutes.
I don't know. Dad said to stay close.
Yes!
But just 5 minutes. Went to big oak tree. Back soon. Here's the oak tree.
Let's go further! The waterfall is there!
Okay, quick. Stay close to me.
This is fun! Look! A pretty flower!
Nice. Now come on. Left or right?
Left!
Okay, left it is.
Let's go!
The path is getting small.
Keep going!
Wait, where is the path?
I don't see it.
We are lost. We are really lost.
Max, where's the waterfall?
We need to go back. Come here. Stay under the tree.
I want Daddy!
I've got you.
They went to the forest. The storm.
Oh no! We need to find them. Let's go now.
Max! Daisy!
Where are you?
I'm here. Don't let go. A stream. Water flows to the village. I hear water. Hold on tight! Don't let go!
I won't!
There! I see red! Daisy! Max!
You're safe!
Thank goodness. I'm sorry.
We are a family. We never leave each other behind. We are safe now. That is the most important thing.
Dad, I'm really sorry.
I know you are, Max. But we need to talk about what happened. Max, can you tell me what you learned today?
I learned that I should not take Daisy anywhere without telling you first.
That's right. That is lesson 1. Always tell an adult where you are going.
I learned that I should not ask Max to go to the forest. It was my idea.
That is lesson 2. Never go into the forest without a grown-up.
And what else did we learn? We learned that a family looks out for each other, no matter what.
That is lesson 3. You are both so brave today. I am so proud of you. Remember, always tell an adult where you're going.
And never go into the forest without a grown-up.
And always look out for your family. We love you guys!
Thank you for watching our adventure today. We hope you learned something important.
This is a perfect campsite.
I love this tree!
Let's set up the tent first.
Bunny likes the forest.
Push it up higher, Tess!
Almost there. Keep holding. I'm holding it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 pegs.
I found so many sticks!
I found a perfect one.
You both did great!
That's quite a
One more stone. There.
Daisy, come see this.
Perfect. Now for the fire.
There we go, fire!
It's getting bigger!
Warm.
Okay, time to cook.
Almost ready.
Is it done yet?
Be patient, Max. I want mine now.
Let's add more wood. Just a little more.
Yay! Bigger fire!
Oh no! The fire!
Dad?
The fire is spreading! I'll get water! Stay back!
Daisy, come here!
Wait. Mommy!
Daisy, come now!
Bunny! My bunny!
We'll get it later!
A deer! Look, Mommy! It was so beautiful.
Daisy, let's go! I need to stop this! Think, Max, think! Dig, dig! Ugh.
Almost there! Keep going!
Done! I did it! The fire is stopped!
Finished. It's over.
What? What happened? How did you do this? This is incredible!
Dirt stops fire. No fuel, no spread.
You saved us! You saved everything! I just thought fast. You're a hero.
Is everyone okay?
We're fine, thanks to Max.
Max saved Bunny.
I saved everyone!
Look at this. It circles the whole fire.
Max, you dug all this?
I had to think fast.
The dirt saved us. Look, a pine cone. It's like a little flower.
I made a circle of dirt around the fire. Fire needs fuel to burn. No grass, no leaves, no spread.
Max, I don't know what to say.
I just did what you taught me.
I didn't teach you this.
You taught me to think.
We're safe.
All of us.
Together.
Bunny says thank you, Max.
I did it. I saved them.